Are you bored? Is it cold outside? Do you want to not be bored? Well then here's what you should do. Okay, so if you haven't noticed, it's been getting pretty cold outside lately, which means we can't do a lot of outside activities. So here are some inside things that you can do to pass the time. Number 1, listen to a podcast. If you're ever just kind of waiting in line for something and have nothing to do, then just put in some earbuds and listen to a podcast or something. Who knows? It doesn't necessarily have to be a podcast. It could be something more like an audiobook. Just kind of a way to make lines less boring. Number 2, have a movie marathon. It could be Star Wars, Lord of the Rings, or even VeggieTales. Really just anything that provides 10 or more hours of entertainment. Or maybe something shorter if you have less time. Number 3, start a prank war with your siblings. Oh, this could get really evil. There's countless things that you could do. Freeze the milk in their cereal, plastic wrap the doorway to their bedroom. It could be anything. But if you get in trouble for it, it wasn't my idea. Number 4, memorize as many digits of pi as possible. This one will take a long time. 3.14159265359. Number 5, learn a new instrument. Number 6, read a book. You may find it difficult to find a book that's actually worth reading. But if you find one, why not read it? It'll pass the time. Number 7, teach yourself to juggle. Number 8, play every board game that you own. I can guarantee you that this one will take days of your time. Possibly weeks. It all depends on how many games you have. If you're one of those people that have 8 different versions of Monopoly, this could take close to a month. But if you have a lot of time to waste, this is the one you should go with. Number 9, watch every episode of Bentley vs. the World. Maybe you're a first-time viewer, maybe you've seen all of them. Either way, just do it. Number 10, start a YouTube channel. Not saying that you shouldn't be watching Bentley vs. the World, but I can't be making all the content. Maybe you don't have a lot of time. Then start a vlog channel. Or maybe you have a little bit more time on your hands. Then make some other kind of channel. Just start a YouTube channel. Okay, so there's my top 10 things you should do when it's cold outside. Now it's time to answer some viewer questions. Kylie asks, why are dogs so expensive? I would say it's because that most dogs you can buy are purebred. And for the most part, purebreds are actually kind of rare. Which is why they're the ones that you can buy. Because people want to make money. Well, that's it. Seriously, guys? You sent me one question? You guys are better than this. Actually send me questions next week. Well, that's all I've got for this week. Remember to actually send your questions to bentleyvstheworld@gmail.com. And until next week, always remember that broccoli is terrible, Jesus is better, and if you don't play disc golf, you're doing it wrong.